Hi teacher, good afternoon. I am Gabriel Arroyo Hernández and study Industrial Engineering at Universidad Tecnológica de Puebla. I'm going talking about what is manufacturing. Manufacturing is the process of converting raw materials into finished products or semi-finished products, which are subsequently destined for the market or a customer. In manufacturing, we can find operations that involve a process such as inventory, management, design, the supply chain, sales, production costs, productions, and quality control. It will base ourselves on the fact that manufacturing is an area of industrial engineering. It has to be more technical, better known as lean manufacturing, which through its Japanese methodologies has used improved or process of any product or service. So these methodologies can be one of the so many tools that we have in manufacturing, as well as other, for example, machinery, design programs, simulation programs, machinery, methodologies, parameters to measure quality, calculation programs to maintain a field. It is important to mention that there are 4 types of manufacturing, each with its characteristics. For example, repetitive, discrete, continuous, and batch manufacturing, each according to the client's convenience. Personally, I think that studying the area of manufacturing process makes me think about how each object that we use in everyday lives was made, thinking about how many people were involved, that what was the cause, the time in which the type of thing was made, design, what type of process was carried out. I think that everything we use have to have been designed by an engineer. Manufactured it an engineer, improved it an engineer, inspected is an engineer, so it there is nothing more. Thanks.